Hi, welcome to T's Journey. My name is Tony. This is my journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring that bell notification. I want to thank all my subscribers. I really appreciate y'all and your support. Please continue to support me, share, and if you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. I'm on my way. I do apologize for showing you videos of the skiing in my previous renovation rehab, but I've been really busy with the house. It's actually finished, so for one room I'm cleaning up right now. Rick and I are about to take a break because I most deserve it. I'm exhausted. We're going up New England, up to the Lees for a week, and I will be showing you videos of that, so stay tuned. Just want to let you know this is T's Journey, and be prepared to see the videos of our travels. Like I said, we hitting all up the East Coast to look at the leaves changing. We was gonna camp out, but in different parks. But because of the weather, it's gonna be rainy and stuff like that. We decided we're just probably hit the hotels instead. So stay tuned for our adventure. It's gonna be the new dining room. Walk into the family room, living room, family room. Open up to the kitchen. Got an extra bedroom, a little messy. So we holding it as a holding room. It's gonna be a bedroom, formal living room, den. It can be various things. Got work on the steps. Almost done there. Go back to the kitchen. Bathroom, that full bath back there. Laundry room, kitchen. There's another room for the Holton kitchen. Opens up to the kitchen. Try snapping pictures. I'm not good with pictures. Kitchen. Back into the, take a picture. Bathroom. Finished. Upstairs is done. Just about. Got very little to do. Down 2 steps. Very little. Got 3 steps. Finished painting stick. Other than that, back door up here. This is a bedroom. Got the fan up in here. Everything. This is pretty much ready. Almost ready to go. Bathroom. We finished. Got to clean it out. Leads to the master bedroom. You got to still put the lights up there. Finish this room pretty much. Got to put the doors. Paint the doors. Finish painting that closet too. This room, I gotta clean this room up. This was a whole room at one time. This is another bedroom. We added this little nook right here. Used to walk through to the other room. But we added that. And then we're gonna cross over to the master bedroom. We haven't finished putting the lights up in here. Walk in to the bathroom. Bathroom. And then the closet. Stuff in it while we're cleaning up. Almost done.